I bought and tested these waterproof cycling jackets so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I've been through the rain, the wind, and the cold while riding, and let me tell you, finding the right jacket can make or break your ride. So, let's dive into the top 5 jackets that will keep you dry and comfortable no matter the weather.
Product number 1, Columbia Watertight 2 Jacket. When I first unboxed the Columbia Watertight 2 jacket, I was immediately impressed by its sleek design and lightweight feel. This jacket is made from 100% nylon, which feels both durable and comfortable against the skin. I put it to the test on a particularly rainy day, and I have to say, it held up beautifully. The waterproof nylon shell is crafted to withstand everything from a light drizzle to a full-blown downpour. As I pedaled through the rain, I felt secure knowing that the jacket's OmniShield technology was working hard to repel moisture. The elastic cuffs and hem kept the jacket snug against my body, preventing any cold wind from sneaking in. I also appreciated the abrasion-resistant chin guard, which provided comfort when I zipped it all the way up against the wind. The 2 zippered side pockets were perfect for storing my essentials, and I loved that the jacket could pack into its own pocket for easy storage. It's lightweight at just 8 ounces, so I didn't even notice it in my backpack. But let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, its waterproof capabilities are outstanding, and the snug fit is great for cycling. However, the jacket lacks ventilation features, so if you're cycling hard in warmer weather, it might get a bit stuffy inside. Overall, if you want a reliable, affordable jacket that keeps you dry, the Columbia Watertight 2 is a solid choice. Product number 2, Bikewa Men's Cycling Rain Jacket, is the Bikewa Men's Cycling Rain Jacket, which caught my eye with its vibrant fluorescent yellow color. This jacket is not just about looks, it's packed with features that cyclists will appreciate. The DWR finish ensures that water and wind won't penetrate the fabric, while the interior TPU membrane offers a 5,000mm waterproof rating. I wore it on a windy ride, and I was impressed with how well it kept me dry. The underarm zips and back fence provided excellent ventilation, allowing heat to escape, which is crucial during intense rides. I also love the reflective elements. They enhance visibility, especially when riding at dusk. What really stood out were the multiple pockets. 3 waterproof zippered pockets and 2 inner pockets make it easy to store my essentials securely. The jacket is incredibly versatile, suitable for cycling as well as running or hiking. On the downside, some may find the fit slightly loose, which could be an issue for those who prefer a tighter feel. However, the lightweight nature of this jacket makes it easy to pack away, and it's ideal for those unpredictable weather days. If you're looking for a jacket that offers great protection and visibility, this one's a winner. Product number 3, Rsuxio Winter Warm-Up Jacket. If you're cycling in colder weather, the Rsuxio Winter Warm-Up Thermal Soft Shell Jacket is worth considering. This jacket features 3 protective layers, which is a game changer. The outer layer repels moisture, while the middle waterproof membrane and inner fleece keep you warm and cozy. I wore this jacket during a chilly morning ride, and I was amazed at how it kept the cold at bay. The extended cuffs are a brilliant touch, protecting my wrists from wind. The drop tail design also kept my back covered, which is essential while cycling. While it doesn't have full wind-proof capabilities, the stretch inserts allow for mobility, making it a comfortable fit while riding. The 2 zippered pockets are a nice addition for storing small items, though I wish there were more for organization. The reflective accents are helpful for night visibility, but it's important to note that the fit can be snug, especially if you're layering underneath. If staying warm during winter rides is your priority, this jacket is a fantastic option. Product number 4, Apex Up Packable Rain Jacket, which is an absolute steal at under $25. This jacket is a lifesaver when the weather turns on you. Made from high-density polyester with waterproof zippers, it boasts a waterproof rating of 5,000 to 8,000 millimeters. I took it on a hike recently, and when the rain hit, I felt completely dry and protected. The adjustable hat and hem are great features, allowing for a customizable fit while blocking out wind and rain.
I loved the reflective stripes, which provide an extra safety layer during low light conditions. The packable design is a highlight. It folds into its own bag, making it super convenient for travel or casual wear. On the downside, while it offers decent waterproofing, it may not be as breathable as some of the pricier options, which can lead to condensation inside during strenuous activities. However, for anyone needing a budget-friendly, reliable rain jacket, the Apex Up is hard to beat. Product number 5, Biqua Women's Cycling Rain Jacket. Last but not least, we have the Biqua Women's Cycling Rain Jacket. This jacket is designed specifically for women and offers a great mix of style and functionality. The 5,000mm waterproof rating and 3,000 grams per meter squared per 24-hour breathability rating mean you can tackle any weather without worry. I tested it during a light rain and I loved how well it kept me dry while still allowing for some airflow thanks to the underarm zippers. With 5 utility pockets, including a back pocket and 2 hand pockets, there's plenty of room for all your essentials. The adjustable hood is another thoughtful feature. It protects against rain while still allowing for a good range of vision. The lightweight material makes it easy to pack down into its back pocket, which is a huge plus for those who hate bulk. The reflective elements add an extra layer of safety for evening rides. The only downside I found was that it could benefit from a tighter fit for those who prefer a more streamlined look. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish yet functional jacket that performs well in wet weather, the Biqua Women's Cycling Rain Jacket is a great investment. In conclusion, finding the right waterproof cycling jacket can truly enhance your riding experience. Whether you prioritize warmth, breathability, or packability, there's a jacket on this list that fits the bill. My top pick would be the Columbia Watertight 2 for its unbeatable waterproofing at an affordable price. Whatever you choose, make sure you stay dry and ride happy.